I am Кайырходжаева Шынаргүл. I'm working as an English teacher in Mangistau region, Мұғалі district, number 2nd school. I studied at Taras Regional University named after Dulati. As profession English teacher, I'm so happy to be a teacher because I feel myself a respectful person. Then to be individual and a smart person in future life. Most importantly, teaching is a great career choice for who want to make a difference in the lives of young people and who are passionate about long life learning. Knowledge and help to children be smart and successful. For others, she should be example. Also, in process of the learning, all of the questions she should answer the questions, and she can't make mistakes.